Hi, my name is Stacy Conkey. I am with Words of Wealth, and I just want to do a huge shout out and tell you a little bit about my experience with Seven Figure CEO and Andrew Cruzy and that whole program. So we have been a part of the Seven Figure CEO program for it's about 4, maybe 4.5 months, and I had met Andrew at a mastermind, and at one point he said, "So you have a Facebook group?" And I said, "Oh, I just kind of created it today." And he said, "Oh, well, that's what I do." And I had no idea what that meant. I didn't know what it meant to. What do you mean that's what you do? So it was interesting over the next couple of months as I stalked Andrew's page a little bit, and I was like, okay, so this sounds like it's a legitimate way to build a business organically. And I literally never even heard of that before. Uh, my wife and I had made the decision to make the investment in the seven figure CEO because we had a real estate training company that we had just started. We had the experience of doing it for many years, but not for ourselves, and nor did we have any idea how to build a business around that, especially from scratch and especially online. Like, we have lots of other experience, but building a business that way, and not one of them. So it was, it was a pretty big decision because it's a good size investment. And I'll tell you what, we very quickly made our entire investment back. And frankly, there could not have been a better decision that we have ever made in any business. We have learned not only how to build a Facebook group, bring in followers, bring in revenue. We've brought in over $100,000 of revenue already, and we are ramping now. We have a team in place, we have SOPs in place. I mean, there's a lot of stuff we don't have in place yet that we know we need to, but it's just like baby steps. But I'm telling you what, I have no doubt that we are going to be able to scale to seven figures, and there's no way we would have been able to do this otherwise. We just didn't have the infrastructure, didn't have the knowledge. I cannot speak more highly of Andrew and his team for what they have put together, the sheer professionalism, the organization, and just how complete everything is. Like, every single time I go, I wonder if there's a video on blah, whatever random thing that I'm struggling with. There always is. And if there's not, although there always has been, I know that they'll just create it. And every week there's trainings with Andrew. Like, we are constantly upping our business. So if you have an opportunity to become part of the seven figure CEO mastermind, it is definitely going to raise you to a completely different level. And then just the network you're in, the people, the quality, and just the go-getter nature of the people that are in this program, it is amazing. So anyway, I am a huge fan, always will be. Best investment I've ever made in any business, hands down. And I hope you get the opportunity to get in because it's awesome. Thanks.